Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll show you how you can see other people's best friends on Snapchat. Well, the first thing that you need to do is to open your Snapchat application or your Snapchat account and then go to your profile. And then there you can see your best friends list. When you go to chat box, you can see also your best friend list. But if you want to see other people's best friend, you can click on the profile or on their profile. And as you can see, you cannot see or view their best friends list. Snapchat does not share other people's best friends list. So the reason is that Snapchat is founded on privacy and having each person being able to have a private conversation with each other. So we cannot see other people's best friends list on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and stay safe.